Hey YouTube, welcome back, and appreciate you coming back to the channel. Hey, today we're going to be cleaning up the old Grady White power washer, getting all the mold and mildew off of it. 8 years she's been sitting outside, so it's quite the mess. But we're going to spray a little bleach on her to kill some of this moss, and let's get started. Welcome to my life. Well, hopefully I recorded because I just washed those engines. You see one's clean and one's almost, it's got a few coats off of it. Coming up nice. She's coming. She's a lot better than she was. Those doors came out nice to me. And they dry out. Inside's, of course, nasty now. I sprayed those. But I'll clean them again. You gotta get the heavy stuff off to get the light stuff off. She's coming. Day one, calling it a day. I'm tired. I think it's like 5 o'clock, and I started like, I don't know what time I started. It's cold this morning. But power washing, first power wash done. Probably need a second one. But at least all the moss and stuff is cleaned off pretty good. The bottom is washing off. I thought that was interesting, the paint on the bottom. It's definitely gonna need to be it's gonna need a lot of wax. It's gonna need a lot of love. But these cleaners, you know, of course the top was black and it's not black anymore. The cockpit was covered in moss. It's not. There's gonna be a lot of detail still done to it. I mean, it's gonna need work for a long time. The floor's a little discolored down there. There you go. Another day in the books. Hey, if you're enjoying these videos and you think I'm nuts or you just enjoy watching me do this, please go to my channel, Shots Life, and subscribe. I'd really appreciate you. And remember, dreams do come true. Y'all help me out and like and subscribe to my channel, Shots Life, on YouTube.